Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, doing another update video on our postings. We try and do these at least 3 times a month, showing that our trade lines are posting on a regular basis. Now this gentleman got our popular American Express. We do a lot of American Express. It's a great card. Now it doesn't show age, but it does give high, large amounts, which is good for utilization issues. American Express here. This particular one is a $60,000 Amex. Authorized user Amex card. This one here is, I believe it's $550. But against a high limit, this is good if you have utilization issues. Let's say you have high balance on your credit cards, and this will kind of balance off that utilization to bring it down a little bit to boost that score. Now, if your balances are low, you really don't need an Amex. However, some people like the Amex because it looks good on their profile. Or if you're trying to qualify for high limit credit cards, in that case, sometimes an American Express might help you to qualify for larger amount credit cards. And again, it does look good on a profile. But as far as credit boost, when you have low utilization or low balance, you won't get a lot of boost from American Express. Just keep that in mind. Again, we don't want you wasting your money when buying trade lines. So again, it's good for utilization. It's good if you're trying to qualify for high limit credit cards. But again, for credit score boost, not so much. Well, I'll take it back. Your credit score will boost if utilization is high. If utilization is low, then you won't get a credit boost. So let's make it clear there. But again, we do a free consultation. If you have any questions or further, have further questions in more detail about trade lines in general, and how they can help you, call us. Again, it's a free consultation. We go over your profile for free. Call us at 202-213-2218 for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. Hit the like button. Also, we do credit repair. We do trade lines, CPN numbers, kind of full service when it comes to credit. Now we're doing business trade lines as well. So that's it for today. Also, if you want to get on our list for our twice monthly trade line list, go to tradelines.biz. It's tradelines with the S.biz for the free list. Thank you. Have a great day.